My boss said you're the apple of my eye, you know. She went bananas when she won the prize, and I heard it all through the grapevine. Surprise! Life gives you lemons, make lemonade. Don't be the bad apple, don't be afraid. Oh, it's cherry picking, yeah, take only the best. Now comparing apples and oranges, forget the rest. She's a peach, she really made my day, and the cherry on top, she did it her way. He went pear-shaped, the plan fell apart, but she plum forgot, bless her sweetheart. He's top banana, runs the whole show, but second banana steals the row. Oh, it's cherry picking, yeah, take only the best. Now comparing apples and oranges, forget the rest. She's a peach, she really made my day, and the cherry on top, she did it her way. Don't upset the apple cart, let things flow. It's like two peas in a pod, we both know. Just bear fruit, don't wait another day. The forbidden fruit is calling, don't you stray. Oh, it's cherry picking, yeah, take only the best. Now comparing apples and oranges, forget the rest. She's a peach, she really made my day, and the cherry on top, she did it her way. Now you know your idioms, very impressive. The forbidden fruit of English is so obsessive. So learn your fruit idioms, give it a try. You'll be the top banana by and by.